If you like our video, click the button to subscribe to our channel and get easy access to new content. To see our full suite of ad-free video courses, instruction manuals, and quick reference guides, visit us at www.teachucomp.com. The Content Aware Move tool in Photoshop lets you quickly recompose images in raster layers without layering or making slow, precise selections. Its extend mode can expand or contract objects like hair, trees, or clouds. Its move mode lets you move objects in raster layers to new locations and then fill in the remaining area using adjacent image data. This works best when the background areas remain similar. To use the Content Aware Move tool in Photoshop, click the Content Aware Move tool button in the Tools panel. This tool shares the same button as the Spot Healing Brush tool, Remove tool, Healing Brush tool, Patch tool, and Red Eye tool, and the button shows the icon of the last tool selected. So if needed, click and hold down on this button in the Tools panel, and then select the Content Aware Move tool choice from the side menu that appears to select it. Optionally, to show a drop-down menu of saved tool presets from which you can choose if you created any for the selected tool. Click the Click to open the Tool Preset Picker button at the left end of the Options bar control panel and select a saved preset choice. To choose the type of selection to make with the Content Aware Move tool if needed, click either the New Selection, Add to Selection, Subtract from Selection, or Intersect with Selection button in the Options bar control panel. Note that you can use this tool with an existing selection if desired. To select the tool's mode, choose either Extend or Move from the Mode dropdown in the Options bar control panel. To adjust how strictly to preserve the source structure, enter a value from 1 to 7 into the Structure field in the Options bar control panel, or click the field's dropdown and use the slider that appears to set a value. A higher value preserves more structure in the selection. To adjust how much of the source color Photoshop can change, enter a value from 0 to 10 into the Color field in the Options bar control panel, or click the field's dropdown and use the slider that appears to set a value. A value of 0 disables color blending. To sample from all layers if needed, check the Sample All Layers checkbox in the Options bar control panel. If unchecked, the effects are applied only to the raster layer selected in the Layers panel. To optionally apply a transform on the drop of the selected content, check the Transform on Drop checkbox in the Options bar control panel. Doing this enables the transform handles at the edge of the object when you move it, which lets you apply a transform at that time if desired. To then make a selection using the Content Aware Move tool if needed, click and drag with the tool around the content to move or extend within the selected raster layer. After making the desired selection, then hover the tool's pointer over the selected content to extend or move. Then click and drag the content to a new location and release it. If the Transform on Drop checkbox is checked, then apply any desired transforms if needed, and click the Commit button to finish. Alternatively, click the Cancel button to cancel the transform and the move. If this checkbox is not checked, then the move or extension is automatically applied instead. Remember to click the subscribe button to see more of our videos. See our full suite of courses, instruction manuals, and quick reference guides at www.teachucomp.com.